Good morning. We are now here at Terminal 4. Hindi, joke, Terminal 4. Terminal 3. Here at Naiya, and we are looking for our flight. We are taking the 6:55. Parang hindi ko siya nakita. Parang wala siya dito. And maraming tao today. Pero parang mabilis. Okay, here we go. Counter is C1. Oh, wala yung ano dito. Boarding gate probably is inside. So, lakad lang muna tayo dito. Alam mo, sabi nila, let's see nga kung ano. Meron na daw mga bagong food area dito. Sabi. And parang gusto kong tignan. Total maaga pa naman. Mabilis ako naka-check-in actually. Tanong natin, baba lang daw tayo. Tignan natin ka sa baba. Dati kasi nandun siya sa taas. Mababaan siya dito. Dito yung kainan. Okay, tignan natin. Tignan natin kung ano itsura niya. Oh my gulay. Ang dami nga. Wow. Nakakatuwa naman. Ang dami nga nung kainan na. That's cute. Pwedeng kumain na dito. Paris Baguette. Ay, nakakatuwa. Kenny Rogers. Yung iba hindi pa masyadong bukas. Pero at least, di ba? Nakakaaliw. Maraming kainan. Oh, ayan. At least nakita na natin. We know for the future. Okay. Yung pala yun. So, naiintriga ako dun na marami ng kainan dito sa loob. I think kailangan natin yun. So, it's a good thing meron na. Okay. Tapos, anong meron dito? Government services, Bureau of Immigration. That's cute. Balik na tayo. Mag-immigration na muna tayo. Meron dito yung OFW Lounge. Pasok lang tayo ulit. Yung sa secure area.
Papuntang saan po?
Ayan. Makapag-lounge muna tayo. Maaga pa naman. Asa ba? Ano tayo? 3:51. So, sakto lang kasi yung pang 3 hours ko is 3:55. 6:55 pala yung ano ko. Yung aking flight. Okay, tingnan natin kung maraming tao sa mga lounges. Naantok pa ako. Grabe. I just need a place to sit down. Kasi matagal-tagal pa siya. 6:55. So if it's 45 minutes after, then ang tagal ng aantayin ko. Diba? So we'll see kung merong space sa lounge kasi ang dami ng tao ngayon na may lounge access, which is good. But unfortunately, napupuno talaga siya. So right now, naghihintay lang tayo ng tawag kung pwede siya. It's actually, ano oras na ito? Parang 4:20 in the morning. And they have quite the wait list. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Marami ka daw ata kasing credit, sir.
Thank you,
Ha?
sir. No boarding
Oo,
announcement.
actually. Thank you po, ma'am. Salamat po. Here we go. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Let's get some food. Good morning. We made it at last. We are now here at the Marhaba Lounge. Medyo marhaba din ang pila. But we made it. Ano ba? 5 o'clock. So we have around an hour and 15 minutes here to spare. And then siguro ang 6 o'clock we can go look for our boarding gate. Tapos lang natin mag-lounge. Tingnan muna natin kung saan yung ating boarding gate. We have 15 minutes to look for it kasi nakalagay din boarding time is 6:15. It's currently 6 o'clock. So, maliit lang naman yung airport. But, pumunta na tayo doon para sigurado. Let's head over. Nakatulog ako around 11 na. Then I had to wake up at around 3-ish, before 3. So, konti pa lang ang tulog natin. But we are very grateful for the opportunity to travel. We have nothing but gratitude for it. So, yan ang masaya doon. And medyo maraming tao ngayon sa airport. Pero kaya naman yan. 1:06 tayo. Ano na ba to? Ano ba to? Parang naliligaw. First time. Lakad lang ako. And then, I'll see you guys. Tapusin lang natin to. Yes, we made it. Oh my gulay. Welcome, and we are back again here at Taiwan International Airport. And we made it. The weather is so beautiful outside. Bigla akong na-discombobulate. So, okay, where do we go? I think we need to go over here. MRT, okay. So, this is where the Club station is, but we don't need that anymore. So, we're going straight to the MRT. So, we do have cash with us. We had cash from before. We had our Easy Train. We have our Easy Train card as well. So, pagdating mo dito, you're basically good to go. Wala naman tayong check-in. And we're off to the city. Baba lang tayo. And then, we can go on our way. Yung A12 Airport Terminal Station 1. Yan ang indication mo na tama yung mga pinagagawa mo. So anyway, punta lang tayo dito and then we'll see. What we need right now is a machine para maloadan natin yung EC card natin. Hopefully meron naman kasi train station naman to. Yun ang kailangan natin para makapag-load tayo. Ayan. So, papakita ko sa inyo itong nasa taas na to. Yan yung mga trip, makikita nyo merong blue at purple. Yan yung nagsasabi pag purple, mabilis. Mabilis meaning lesser stop. Pero yung blue is yung medyo mabagal kasi siya yung parang maraming hihintuan muna. Parang gano'n. Okay, teka, mag-load muna tayo dito. Sandali. Nandito yung nandito yung mga machine na kailangan natin. Ayan. So, okay na siya. Ang ating usable amount is 360. There you go. It's that simple. So, from now on, this will be our best friend. Kita niyo naman, nilagyan ko na siya ng parang lalagyan. So, all you have to do, pagdating mo dito, is to top it here. And then, pasok ka. That's it. That's it. Yun na yan. And then, of course, as I said, we're gonna take the purple routes para mas mabilis going to the city. I-secure muna natin itong ating Easy Train. At dito, disiplinado sila. So, yung mga tao nakapila, which is good. At bawal ang pasaway. So, yung yung 22, yung darating ng 22 is commuter. So, medyo magiging matagal yon. Just a lot of stops. Tapos, yung 1028, yun yung ganun pala yun. Yun yung mabilis. yung express. Ganun siya. Although it's in the same platform, mauuna yung commuter versus dun sa express. That's it. Nakita niyo naman kung commuter bus siya, meron siyang blue dun sa gate, dun sa side na yun. And then, pwede na mag-line up for the an express. Pagkatapos na pagkatapos na ito, which is yun na yung gagawin natin. Papaalisin lang natin siya. Pag alis nito, pila na tayo para mauna tayo. Hehe. Ayun, meron. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa express train going to Taipei Main Station of the airport. I think ang pamasahe dito, if I'm not mistaken, is 160 Taiwanese dollars. So, meron naman siyang upuan. Doon siyang lalagyan ng gamit dun sa likod. Then, very comfortable seats. Tapos mabilis siya. So, medyo premium yung labanan. Pwede ka muna mag-relax dito, mag-set up ng Wi-Fi. Ano mo na, get your stuff organized kasi when we get to the city, parang ito-drop lang natin yung gamit natin dun sa concierge and then pwede tayo mag-ikot and then we can go back at around 3-ish to check in and get settled in ng totoo. Okay? So we are now here officially sa Taipei Main Station and I am telling you medyo may pagka-maze siya. The first time I went here, literally litong-lito ako. Sobrang nakakalito siya. Pero pag nakuha mo na siya, okay na. Pero I'm telling you, hindi siya. It was very challenging nung first time ko siyang napuntahan. And di syempre, di ba? Parang excited ka pa at hindi mo alam na para pala siyang malaking underground city. So, pero ngayon, as you can see, medyo mas calm na ako. Kasi kahit pa paano, natatandaan ko na yung mga mistakes ko before. At kung paano na yung mas efficient way to get there. So, ang agenda natin today is to head to our exit and then get some cash. So, pag nandito, I always use that Kasai Green ATM and of course, I use GCash because it gives the best rate. So, yun muna yung agenda and then we'll go to the accommodation, finish ang paperwork, iwanan yung gamit, and then pwede na tayong kumain. So the goal is siguro matapos natin siya by lunch and then we can go on our merry way, di ba? Para masaya.